Hi guys, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and my project share today is, yes, Anna Griffin. Uh, this is very old. I don't know when she made it. 2018. So this is Anna Griffin Pulley Card making kit. And so it came with everything. So let's get into my little Ziploc bag. I want to show all my cards for inspiration because I'm fixing to gift them all out and give them away. So here we go. These are pulley cards. So you pull down and there you go. And it's three-dimensional and it says something where you write right here. You can write your name right here or write more, but it is to, whoops, it's to stand up, and it does. There you go. So, but you can't see it from your direction. But anyway, there's one. There's another. I don't. Oh, this one I pulled on a little much. Now let me redo this one while you watch. There you go. It's been so hot here in Texas that I didn't leave my air on at the beginning of the summer, and now we are, so that nothing comes unglued. So I'm glad I saw that, but it's now fixed. So you pull it, and I'm not going to pull it real hard because I want it to be secure, but here it is, three-dimensional, and there's flyaways that I need to blow away with my heat gun. Here's another one. See how it will stand up, and it's really pretty looking straightforward. Here's another one, and all this came in the kit, all the sentiments. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 type layers. Whoops. Let me fix my light. Oh, there went my light. There we go. I hope that's better. Anyway, these are mostly all, this says, you are special to me, thinking of you, birthday, for a friend, get well soon. So they're all different kinds. Here's another. Boy, I need my light fixed. There you go. We have like 3 more, and then we're done. There's another one, and it's all coordinating. There's another one. There's another. And the last one. How shiny is the gold. So there is my project share. I hope you like it. Thank you, everyone. Have a blessed day.